how to play GTA 5 with controller on PC on Epic Games. Hello everyone, it's Morgan from Create, Login and Delete. So let's start the video. It is a really quick and easy process in order to play GTA 5 with controller on Epic Games, so make sure you follow each and every steps carefully. The most important thing is that we need to have Epic Games Launcher and GTA 5 installed on our computer via the Epic Games. So it is more convenient for gamers to use Steam in order to play GTA 5 with controller rather than Epic Games. And in this video, we're going to do the same thing. We are going to play GTA 5 on Steam, but by using the Epic Games. The first thing you got to do is to open the Steam. And here on the bottom left corner, you can see add a game option. Simply tap on the option. And here tap add a non-Steam game. And from the browse option, go to the installation folder on Epic Games and find the GTA 5 folder and run the .exe file from GTA. And also you might need to add another Epic Games launcher in order to play GTA 5 on Steam. And after you have added the game successfully, the only thing that you got to do is to go to your game, and on the right hand side you can see the gear icon. Tap on gear icon and go to properties. From there go to controller, and on this toggle menu go to enable Steam input. And from there on you would be able to play GTA 5 with controller on PC by actually using the Epic Games. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.